Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to solve this given expression. Our expression is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 15 plus 1 over 35 plus 1 over 63 plus 1 over 99 plus 1 over 143. So this is called telescopic series of finite number of terms. So if I write this expression as 1 over 1 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 5 plus 1 over 5 times 7 plus 1 over 7 times 9 plus 1 over 9 times 11 plus 1 over 11 times 13. Here you can see the pattern. The difference between the two numbers is 2 all the way. So here 3 is the last number and 3 is the first number. You can see the pattern is repeating itself. So suppose I am taking the first term. So this is 1 over 1 times 3. So this can be written as the subtraction of two terms. So if I write 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3, this is equal to 1 times 3 is the LCM. So 3 minus 1, so this is equal to 2 over 1 times 3. And you can see that here the numerator is number 2 and here the numerator is number 1. So I have to make few adjustments. So if I multiply with 1 over 2, multiply with 1 over 2 and multiply 1 over 2, so 2 cancel with 2, so we will get 1 over 1 times 3. So this term can be written as the subtraction of two terms. Suppose I am taking the next example, the next term. So this is 1 over 3 times 5. This can be written as 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5. This is equal to 3 times 5, 5 minus 3. So this is 2 over 3 times 5. So same in this case, the numerator is number 1. So our answer is numerator is number 2. So I have to multiply with 1 over 2 to do the adjustment. So multiply with 1 over 2. 2 cancel with 2. So this is equal to 1 over 3 times 5. So do the few adjustment. So suppose I am taking another example. Our pattern is 1 over 5 times 8. So not in this case, this is the example. So this can be written as 1 over 5 minus 1 over 8. This is equal to 5 times 8 is the LCM. This is 8 minus 5. So this is equal to 3 over 5 times 8. So as you can see, number 3 in the numerator and number 5 in the numerator. So I have to make few adjustments to multiply with 1 over 3 to get the same result. So 3 cancel with 3. I will get 1 over 5 times 8. So as you can see, this term can be written as in the form of the subtraction of two terms. Suppose I am taking another example. I go this pattern 4 over 7 times 11. This can be written as 1 over 7 minus 1 over 11. So this is equal to 7 times 11 is the LCM. So this is 11 minus 7. So this is equal to 4 over 7 times 11. So in this case, we don't need to do any adjustment. Sometimes we need to do the adjustment to make the same result. So in this case, we don't need to do any sort of adjustment here. So let us come to our real question. So this term can be written as in the form of this term. So this term can be written as in the form of this term. Multiply with 1 over 2 inside the bracket 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5. Same in this case. And similarly the next terms. So write this term equal to 1 over 2, 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3 plus this term 1 over 2 inside the bracket 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5, and this term 1 over 2 inside the bracket 1 over 5 minus 1 over 7. I am going to miss the next two terms. So last term 1 over 2 inside the bracket 1 over 11 minus 1 over 13. So take that 1 over 2 common from the whole expression. So this is equal to 1 over 2 inside 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3. 1 over 2 is the common, plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 11 minus 1 over 13. So minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 7 will cancel the term next to it, and 1 over 11 will cancel the term before it. So we will only left with the first term and the last term. So this is equal to 1 over 2, 1 over 1 minus 1 over 13. This is equal to 1 over 2, 13 LCM, 13 minus 1. This is equal to 1 over 2, 12 over 13. 2 times 6, 12. So this is equal to 6 over 13. So this is my answer, 6 over 13. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.